Welcome, wonderful people. I'm glad to see you again or have a video for you because I know it was a little bit rough for the last few months, but I try. So today I wanted to show you something pretty Christmassy. As you might have seen on my Instagram, I've been painting on wood slices again. Here in the beginning you can see a few of the wood slices that I've painted already. Some of them with sketch, some of them without a sketch first. Most of them are sealed already. Some of them will become magnets, where I glue a little magnet on the back. The ones with holes will become ornaments and will be sent out to friends and family. Because I needed more of them, I wanted to paint more Christmassy wood slices. I have prepared them, and today you will see me paint a robin. I've been looking up robins, the birds, a lot, and there are thicker ones and some that aren't as thick, and the thin ones are those that are more common here. But I found that the thick ones looked so nice, and that's what I wanted to paint, so here it is. For the base, I used Watercolor Ground by Daniel Smith and watercolors on top. It works wonderfully. I've done it a few times, and there's no problem doing that. When it comes to sealing, I have found several options where I can seal them in a really nice way, and the next video, at least I hope it will be the next that I will edit, will be a tutorial on how to do that properly. I know it's a little bit late for you to do that for Christmas, but I believe that you can paint things for other occasions on wood too, because that's what I did after. Though my plan was to paint Christmassy ornaments, my mind wandered, and it turned out I wanted to paint frogs, and I've painted several frogs by now on wood slides. I did not record all of them, but I will make more recordings for the tutorial so you can see me paint frogs too. Yeah, not very Christmassy, sorry. It was very difficult for me to get into the Christmas mood this year. It was very stressful at work. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen this too, because I've shared some of the issues I've had, and I'm really sorry that I did, because I know it's difficult for all of us and all of you, and I'm sure that next year won't start simple, not as last year did. And that's why I wish all of you a time to refresh yourself, to get some strength for the last few months that we will probably have with Corona, and just try to relax, get some strength, because we will all need it for the months to come. Yeah. You know, we all have to be, or most of us, depending how well the country does with the pandemic, most of us have to keep distant, and we probably won't be able to come together with our families. I'm not sure yet if it will happen for us here, but be sure I'm thinking of you, and I wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope you have the most wonderful time that is possible right now. Be careful. Be careful for your parents and grandparents and other family members and friends that are risk groups. I hope we will all be safe and have a wonderful time. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!